SAVANNAHBRYANT.
It's useful for them to know sign language because if you were going to have an interview or something and you had on your resume that you were fluent in sign language or knew some sign language, you would probably get the job before someone who just knew English. You could use them at schools because I know that we have a few deaf kids at our school. It will make it a lot easier, like if you go to college and to make new friends and stuff like that. We want to have more members because right now we try to put up as many flyers as we can, but we just want more members and we want more people to know about the club, not only at Bryant but in our community, to know that we're doing this club for our students.
I love my school and ASLCLUB, ASL Club.